In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a modded server on Aternos. So the first thing you want to do is you want to load into Aternos like you normally would. Then the first order of business is to change the software. So press on this green button that says change right over here. And you guys actually have multiple different options. So if you're trying to include, for example, fabric mods, then you want to go ahead and select on fabric right over here. Or if you're trying to download quilt mods, you also have that option, Neoforge, etc. So double check what mod loader your mod requires. So I know, for example, Cobblemon typically requires fabric. So if you have like Cobblemon, for example, select on fabric right over here. But what you guys could also do is you could actually directly install mod packs from here. So let me go ahead and show you how it works. So you can go ahead and select over here where it says mod packs. Then you guys can go ahead and select on a mod loader right over here. So we got Modern mod packs, Technic, FTB, Curseforge, etc. So for this video, I'm just going to select on Curseforge just like so, because I do think the process is a little bit easier. And then from here, you're able to make all of these different servers. So you want to go ahead and look through here and see if there is a mod pack that you like. So I know they actually do have Cobblemon, which I'm really surprised about. So you can make a Cobblemon server right over here. So let me go ahead and just type in Cobblemon just like so. And yep, here it is. So you can go ahead and select on it. Then you can go ahead and select on install right over here. Now, for me, it says reinstall because I already installed it just to test it out before the video. But if it's your first time doing it, it is going to say install. So just press on yes, install right over here. And then it is going to begin installing to your server. Make sure that you have the same mod on your device as well. So the mod needs to be both on your local PC and on the server. So we just installed the mod on the server, and the next order of business is to install it on your local device. And then from there, you can join the server. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.